everyone, how are you today? I'm glad to see you again. In the earlier lesson, we learned about unvoiced TS-shell, voice TS-shell, and intonation. And in this lesson, we learned about, I'll teach you about two pair of sound. First pair is unvoiced TS-shell, unvoiced at a sound, and voiced at a sound. First, to make an unvoiced at a sound, you should bring your lip forward, keep them open, keep them open, lift your teeth slightly apart, then blow air through your teeth, like that. Shh, shh. And what about the voices at a sound? To make a voice at a sound, what you have to do is make a voice unvoiced at a sound, then add voiced, like that. Okay, let's write it with some words and sentences. First, with unvoiced at a sound. Sure, sure. Are you sure? Are you sure? T-shirt, t-shirt. Give me a t-shirt. Give me a t-shirt. Irish, Irish. He's an Irish. He's an Irish. Okay. Next with voice at a sound. Pleasure, pleasure. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Television, television. I like watching television. I like watching television. Casual, casual. I usually wear casual clothes. Okay, very good. Next, let's talk about CH sound and J sound. CH sound is the company of T sound and SH sound. So when you put two these sounds together, it's become a H. You get a CH sound. For example, ch 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 ch. Okay. And when you take a ch sound and keep everything in your mouth the same, you just add voicing. It's become the J sound. J j j j. It's J sound is a voice sound. So when you put your hand in your throat, you could feel the vibration in your throat and in your tongue. Let's practice with some words and sentences to see the difference between two sounds, CH sound and J sound. Chip, 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 jeep, jeep. It's a chip. It's a chip type car. It's a chip type car. Next, it's a jeep type car. It's a jeep type car. Ch, ch, chuck, chuck, j, j, juk, juk. Are you chucking? Are you choking? Are you joking? Are you joking? H, 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 H. Do I write H in here? Do I write H in here? Do I write H in H here? Do I write H in here? Very good. It's all from me today, and I hope this video will help you to learn English better. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.